Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. So in today's video I'm going to show you how to contact support on Ledger. So actually guys, you can contact them on the websites or going with the websites using your browser. Even you can just send an email to the email support, and that's the most common method. Okay, so to send that email you will need to go and use your Gmail, Outlook, whatever, and just type an email for help@ladderlife.com and include your account email and problem details like refund, login, billing, etc., and screenshots if possible. Also guys, to contact the support on their website, you will need to go with the support.ladderlife.com. So this website, support.ladder.com. Okay, it's actually ladderlife.com, and then just scroll down here. Okay, so you can go with and filling out an application, or just go below and go with contact us. So here they will provide you with their email, the number or phone number, and even the address, okay, and the working hours right there. All right, so you can write your issue directly and they usually reply within a short time. So actually guys, that's it. This is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching, and goodbye.